expect from Darko?
I don't know. I like that he has size. What we want Darko to be is just come in and fit a role for us, and not push all these expectations that he's had on him his whole career. I think his first concern should be our team, instead of trying to establish himself as this, second pick in the draft thing. And I think that probably hurt him over his career.
Do you think the fact that he has had some time to kind of separate himself from that day, do you think that's kind of helped him accept who he is?
I have no idea. I think we'll all know that. I mean, those questions we'll find out. I'll tell you in January if that's true. I hope it does.
How much can the KG effect work for a guy like Darko?
I think it can either make you great or crush you. It's going to be one of the two. It's not really a in between with Kevin. And in a good way, I like how he goes about his work, obviously, and how he approaches the game. I think if you're willing to learn, you can only get better playing with Kevin.
No, Kevin, I've played against Kevin since my sophomore year in high school, so I know him well, and he's very vocal, very intense, and a great team leader.
So Darko has been a good player in stretches in his career, and he has struggled in other places. And he's a big body, and he knows how to play. And we're hopeful that he can, in our system with our guys. It seems like everybody that we've played at our center position over the last few years has thrived in our system, and playing with opposite KG and with Rondo, but we like his intelligence on the court and his passing ability, and he's 7'1", 270 pounds, so that helps.
Yeah, motivation and confidence have been issues for him. With playing with Kevin and being coached by Doc, do you think that will help him?
I do think it will. I think it's a great opportunity for him, and he did not have a good year last year in Minnesota, and he had a good year the year before. At this time last year, he was unavailable. Yeah. He was a guy that you couldn't get, and coming off of a good year the previous year, and he's 27 years old, and he's, like I said, he's healthy, and he's big and strong, and we need size.
Do you look at his age and you look at him as a guy who can get better?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
I think he has. I think that he has shown signs, but he hasn't been consistent. And so time will tell. There's a lot of competition at the big positions. With Jason and Fab has looked good in the September play here in the facility, and there's a lot of competition. And Brandon is going to play some there. KG will play some there. Jared Sullinger. So we have a lot of depth there, and a lot of competition to play opposite our 4 stars.
It's a great organization, starting from ownership and all the way down. Opportunity to play for Doc Rivers, and playing with Hall of Famers, and this is my best opportunity to win an NBA championship. And we have a lot of depth on this team, so a lot of guys who could be playing a lot of big minutes someplace else. We're all buying in and sacrificing and trying to win a title.